We'll guide you through how to fork a repository in GitHub. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. Now we're handing over the guide to Pauser, who's continuing with it.
Forking a repository allows you to create your own copy of someone else's project under your GitHub account. This is useful if you want to make changes to a project without affecting the original repository, or if you want to contribute your changes back later. So first, just go ahead and open any browser to your liking, and then just go ahead and search for github.com and then press enter. Now just go ahead and sign in with your account, and once that you have signed in, find the public repository that you want to fork. You can use the search bar at the top of the GitHub to search a repository by its name, or open a repository directly if you already have its link. So I'm just gonna go ahead and search for a repository. So let's say I want to search some portfolio. I'm just gonna go ahead and type portfolio. After that, just go ahead and press enter, and then from here just go ahead and open any repository that you want to fork. Let's say this is the repository that I want to fork. Just go ahead and click on it, and you will be inside of the repository. Once you have opened the repository, you will see information about the project on its main page. In the top right corner, just go ahead and look for the fork option. It is located near the star and watch option. From here, just go ahead and click on it, and now GitHub will begin creating a copy of that repository under your own GitHub account. Depending on the size of the project, it may take some time. From here, you can choose a repository name or go with the pre-existing one. I'm just gonna go ahead and leave the name at default, and then you will see owner. Here you can choose the owner if you have access to multiple GitHub account or organization by just clicking on the drop down. And now you'll also see an option for copy the main branch only. If you only need the latest version of the project, you can leave this option enabled. If you want all branches from original repository, you can disable it before creating the fork, and after you have finished reviewing, just go ahead and click on create fork. GitHub will now create your own copy of the GitHub repository. So just wait for the process to complete, and now you can see it will automatically take to your fork repository. From here, you can browse the code, edit the file directly from GitHub, clone the repository to your computer, or begin making changes without affecting the original project. And that's basically it. You now know how to fork a repository in GitHub.